Welcome to VocabMastery, Building Bridges with Words.
Hi kids, it's me VocabMastery, and today we are going to learn about different car parts. Are you ready? Let's go. Whoa, we have so many parts to explore today. Will you help me? Awesome. Thank you so much. Car body. This is the car's body. It determines its shape and style. It's also known as the car body. Windshield. This is the windshield. The windshield protects the driver from the wind, rain, and dirt or rocks hitting our face. It makes driving safer. Side view mirrors. Now, let's learn about the side view mirrors. Cars have two side view mirrors, one on the left side and another on the right side. Side view mirrors help you see what's happening around your car while you are driving. Seats. We have seats in the car. These are the back seats, where our friends will sit. These are for passenger seat and the driver seat. Steering wheel. Here is the steering wheel. It helps you control the direction of the car. Rims and tires. Let's have a closer look at the rims and tires. The tire is the rubber part of the wheel that touches the road. Engine. Look, here is the engine. It's like the heart of the car. It makes the car go vroom. Brakes. These are the brakes. When you press them, the car slows down and stops. You press the brake pedal with your foot to slow down or stop the car. Headlights. These are the headlights. They help us see the road when it's dark outside. Tail lights. And these are the tail lights. They light up when we brake so other cars can see us. Turn signals. These are the turn signals. They blink to show which way the car is turning. Horn. This is the car's horn. It makes a loud beep to warn other cars or people. Fuel tank. Here is the fuel tank. It holds the gasoline or petrol or diesel that makes the car go. Wipers. Look, here are the wipers. They wipe away rain or snow from the windshield. Seat belts. These are the seat belts. You wear them to stay safe in the car. Child safety locks. These are the child safety locks. They prevent the doors from opening when the car is in motion, keeping everyone safe inside. Car body. Windshield. Side view mirrors. Seats. Steering wheel. Rims and tires. Engine. Brakes. Headlights. Tail lights. Turn signals. Horn. Fuel tank. Wipers. Seat belts. Child safety locks.